Hello everyone, in this video we just see about what is a BMR. BMR is a batch manufacturing record. Okay, so let we see. I just give a small example to understand the BMR. Okay, so most of the people don't know about BMR. Okay, so BMR is nothing but in industry we doing manufacturing means we have a lot of procedure and precautions and general instructions and who are all done these tests and lot of stuffs are there for manufacturing. Okay, that every steps are noted in a BMR. Okay, that is called a batch manufacturing record. So let we see what are the content in there. So I just give another example also. Okay, if you going for manufacturing process means you are received by materials and further you gonna go for testing the material and who are all tested and who are all approved that raw materials, and after that you are going for granulation, and granulation you are gonna go for drying, and also you going for compression and coating. Each and every steps are QA QC plays a main role, and after that we need to record everything in this BMR. Okay, why we need to record means we reduce the minimizing the errors, because company investing a lot of money to manufacturing drug, we can't easily spoil that drugs. Okay, and also we need to minimizing the error, it's one of the important one. Okay, so this is a BMR form, just you can look, you can give you can find some idea to understand this. Okay, so for every pages they give a product name and a batch size and a batch number and a BMR number also, and first they give a raw material information who are all approved and who are all reviewed and checked by and QA, and the batch number, which company is given the raw material, those things, and general information what we need to do in tablet preparation, what need not to do in tablet preparation also, and the cleaning record also. Why we need to do the cleaning record means if previous material may be affect our drugs, so we need to check the previous material and the cleaning, who are all cleaned person and who are all check the cleaning process, that also we need to record, and ingredient billing, and I told each and every step by procedures. Okay, granulation and drying, mixing drying, and reworking, lubrication and compression. Okay, and friability, lot of stuff we need to record in this BMR. You can go and see for 10 minutes, you can also understand everything. Okay, because it's too big, and friability test and inspections. Okay, and coatings adjustment, if they done means they need to put. Okay, and finally every step we need to cross means if the product need to test for a QA and QC. Okay, in every step, because to minimizing the error. Okay, and the rejection and the depletion method, sorry, destruction methods. Okay, those things are BMR. Okay, so I think it's useful for you. So let we see in another video. So thank you for watching this video.